Hey everyone, so we are going to make this spaghetti. It's without chicken and just the carrots. Amazing recipe. Toss in some oil and garlic and give it a good fry. At this point, you got to add chicken and different vegetables, but I'm adding only carrots. Give it a good mix. Now add chicken cube to it. You can add chicken broth and different spices into it, but I'm going in with just the sauces. Sriracha sauce, soya sauce, and umami sauce. You can add whatever you want, it's just your recipe. So for the spices, I added salt, coriander powder, and chili flakes. Give it a good mix, and now you can add your white spaghetti to it. And that's it, your spaghetti is ready. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye.